Good morning. My name is LaShawn Hutchinson. I am the founder of Hutch's Clutch Dispatch and Logistics. And this is for box truck owners and independent carriers. Are you tired of searching for profitable loads, dealing with endless paperwork, and struggling to maximize your earnings? Well, y'all, Hutch's Clutch Dispatch and Logistics is here to keep you moving and get you paid. So, a little bit about who we are. We are a family owned dispatch and logistics company built on trust, efficiency, and driver success. With over 20 years of experience, we know the industry inside and out. Our mission to take the stress off of your shoulders so you can focus on the road while we handle the rest. So, let me tell you how Hutch's Clutch Dispatch and Logistics sets you up for success. We go for high paying loads, which means we negotiate top rates for you. We have reliable dispatching, no more sitting for days without a load, limited back office support. So we help you with your paperwork so that you can stay compliant. We also have 4-day work week flexibility. Keep more of your time while still making great money. Not a lot of people do that, and I do know that for sure. So, as you can see, we are not just another dispatch service. We're your business partner. We work for you, not the brokers. It's no forced dispatch. So you pick the loads that fit your schedule. And we learn that when we do our onboarding. We help drivers move toward truck ownership. We help you work yourself out of your truck. So as you can see at Hutch's Clutch, your success is our success. So are you ready to level up your trucking business? If so, give us a call or send us an email. Send us your information. And remember, spots are filling up fast. We only have about 10 more days as we run this promotion. So don't waste another mile struggling to find loads, y'all. Let Hutch's Clutch get you rolling with higher paying freight today. Call us 540-556-3160 or visit our website, hutchisclutchdispatch.com. So easy to remember. And remember, join the Hutch's Clutch family and let's hit the road to success together.